When working with outlines quite regularly, you will find that making use of the custom view feature could be quite useful. What the custom view is a setting that allows you to save the current view of your spreadsheet. So for example, we have here a sample data outlined, and we want to create a couple of views. One is the view as we currently see it, everything expanded, we see everything, and one is a sales manager's view, which is a compressed view just showing the totals. So the first step is to save the view as it is. So we go up to View on the ribbons, come across to Custom Views. In the Custom Views dialog box, we currently have none. We would click Add. It requires a name, which is going to be All Data, and we let the view know that it contains print settings and hidden rows and columns. It needs to remember the settings for both of these. If we'd set up some print settings, it would remember that. It might remember that the view currently has to fit on a piece of landscape paper, for example. It also remembers if we have any hidden rows or columns, which is vitally important at the second view where we're going to compress things. That's okay. We then set up the second view, which is going to be compressed and compressed. So this is just a grand total. Now the issue we have here is you still leave the outline symbols in place. And if you're going to show this to a manager, they can just click and expand, or we can hide those as well. So in order to hide these sections here, the outline symbols, and I think we will need to hide the column headings because everybody knows that between A and R, there are some other letters. We do that through File and Options, Advanced down the left-hand side, and down the middle section, we scroll right down to Display Options for this worksheet. Well, we don't want the row and column headers, and we don't want the outline symbols. Okay, both those items disappear, which now leaves us with just the grand total sales. And it's this that we save as a custom view. So we go to Custom Views. Our whole data one is there, that's fine. We click Add, and we add in the Manager view. And it needs to remember print settings, hidden rows and columns, etc. Okay. We now have two custom views, and you set those up by setting up the view as you want it. Go up to Custom View, click Add, a new name for this custom view. If the name already exists, it will ask you if you want to overwrite an existing view. Make sure these two ticks are in place. OK, and the view is created and saved with this sheet only.